Start private game.
All right, there we go. Hopefully this works a little better.
There's still one more character that needs to be unlocked.
Oh.
Here, I'll try the new abilities.
Oh, Illuminati's at school. The server has shut down.
Wait, what?
I don't know. Your server shut down, bro.
I might have accidentally pressed back or something. What could I have pressed? Oh, I did press back.
It's been a while.
Yeah, it really has. Like, I think the last time you played Mr. Rain, I wasn't playing.
That should be fine.
Let's set a 3D printer. Is that a backup Mac? Ooh, okay. I want that.
Oh, this is kind of tripping me out.
Not seeing a lot of loot. Not to turn that. Here, oh god, there's a lot of enemies on me now. They changed that. Did they really make Monsoon not dead in the first 2 minutes?
Like no loot.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I literally have 0 items. There's a big chest over here. Also the teleporter is here too. Shit.
Interesting. Oh, there's some loot. Well, that's it. There's a bit. Oh, I bet you it's all on the mountainside. But what the spawns were then? Oh, there's a chest over there too. There's one over here, I think. It looks like somewhere around there. Well, it better be some good loot. No bleaching seed. Well, at least I got a heal.
Alright, I'll take Warbender. That's perfect. I'm gonna trade this for whatchamacallit? And I guess it doesn't want us to just hit like Chant Shrine or something? Oh no, there's a chest over here. There's another mountain shrine. Because this is looking like a pretty big dud on loot. It might be
We
good
just
to
get out of here.
To get out, yeah. I'll hit the mountain shrine. And then we're gonna have a blue portal too, which is gonna be nice. And then this chest here. Do something good.
What is that little jug? That's the Hellfire thing, right?
That's a Hellfire, yeah.
Okay. You good?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, that's an equipment. Damn. Needle suit. Okay. There's gonna be like 3 of them. That's there. go through them and we'll put down another R on them.
Shit, there's too many guys here.
Yeah, you can back up.
They're all red.
Here, enemies, look at me. Try killing ads, because you have leeches.
Yeah, man. That helped.
Okay, at least 2 of the beetle queens are almost dead. Actually, all 3 of them are almost
Shit,
dead.
they're all on me. Fucking ads.
Here, here.
It's the goddamn,
It's the zapping
it's just
guys, right?
stupid zap, yeah.
Alright, should be good. I'm gonna go back and deal with these guys. I think, alright, one of the beetle queens are dead. This one's almost dead.
How many freaking stupid guys are there gonna be in here? Stop shooting. Why is he shooting?
Alright, 2 beetle queens dead.
Goddamn wisps. There's 80 billion of them. Okay. Solves that. Go back to full health.
Alright, beetle queens are dead. Now I just need to kill ads for a while. What item? Ooh, we got guillotines. That's actually great. We should each get 3. Oh no, there's a Queen's Glen, I think.
I'll get a Queen's Glen then. We can get them. 2 is pretty good anyways.
This is so good. 'Cause now,
Queen's Glen's great, actually, for me. That's like one of my best moves. Hey, Elizabeth.
hey, Paige.
Sorry, I couldn't pay attention to you in the beginning. I was fighting for my life.
Alright, do you want to hit the chant shrine or do you just want to leave?
I mean, might as well.
I'll hit it once too. Why not? Watch me get like the legendary and then you get like nothing. Equipment? You know what? I'll take that. Hey!
I'll take that.
Hey, there we go! Alright! Not bad. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here.
I could have used that before the fight.
Yeah, no, right? But then if we would have did it before the fight, it would have been like some whack shit. Nothing really here. There's the brain, but we don't have enough for that. And there's this thing, but I don't have enough for that. There's a band. To be the field here if we whatchamacallit.
Okay. Dude, that brain, though.
I don't think any of us have enough for that. Yeah, we don't.
Alrighty. Next thing's next.
Alright, at least it looks like there's loot here.
Hit me. Something hit me and I don't know what it was. Fine. Ah,
Yeah.
guillotine. Sweet, sweet guillotine. Oh, there they are.
Yeah, there's a ton of loot here. Ooh, harvester side plus leeching seed. No. That's a crit one. Then here. Now there's a crit glass right here.
Okay.
I'll take that. Ooh, I'll take that for sure.
Oh, I love my Beetle Queen. I'm gonna name my beetle Habibi. Habibi the beetle. That means my love in Arabic.
I thought that meant friend. How was the first one like full of monsters and then yeah.
According to Wikipedia.
Yeah, I want cheese because there's a purple chest up here. Yes.
Weep. Weep.
Oh yes.
Man, I do not. I'm not looking forward to work today, I'll tell you that.
Let's see. Today's my day off, so I'm gonna be chilling.
Nice. What to do? I need to make some money so I can pay the lumber bill today.
Lumber bill, is it like subscription service? Oh no, it's like because you got to pay
Yeah.
like 30 days or something, right?
Yeah, every 30 days. Like $930. 70? $970? I forget. It's a lot of money. A lot of moolah. Oh, you dirty little machine. Don't you dare. What about you?
There's a crate glass here.
Another missile's over here if you want.
Yeah. ping it.
Compliments of yours truly.
Ooh, sweet. I'll take that. Thank you very much.
Gambling machines everywhere. It's like I'm at a casino.
There's a triple store with another crate glass for your harvester site. That I think. Yeah, there's a lot. Little meat, big meat, and fucking. Alright. Q.
Not quite quick enough. That's what I'm missing is a little bit of speed.
Yeah, there were so many gambling machines. Do I have enough to take anything
I gotta go get those crit glasses. I forget where they are.
else? They're over here in this direction. It's in the triple shop. There's a healing fruit.
I like my missiles. I got enough healing stuff. Ah, there they. There they be. I think.
Yeah, that's the shop. Alright, and then I guess we can fight the boss after that, because I think we looted everything.
Yeah. 100 billion chance shines everywhere.
Oh yeah, let me hit this shine one more time. No, I'll do it after, We'll fly. Gay Doom Strider, of course. My favorite boss.
This one I'm working on is gonna go pretty quick here.
Yeah, I'm coming.
They're backing off, actually.
Yeah, it's probably about to start sucking soon. Surprised they're not suck. One's dead.
I got him. I got this chicken pot pie. Oop, nope. I meant to hit this button.
Yeah, he's dead. There you go. What item do we get?
Oh.
Bands. Hell yeah. I think I have both bands now. No, I have two Kajaro bands. Damn. a 3D printer over there? Backup magazine.
Ooh, we get to gamble. Oh wait, didn't.
Yeah. No, they're the champs right here. This one's untouched? Yeah, it's untouched. Now I'll go for the further one. I already gambled at that one once.
Dude, double missiles is pretty good.
Yeah, it melted freaking. Alright, I'm gonna start heading this direction. The other thing. 798. 9. Is it here? Yeah, here it is.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Ooh, I got ocular HUD. That's interesting. I'm gonna keep my missiles. Though, ocular HUD. Missiles is stronger.
Alright, you take the blue portal whenever. Gambling.
Where's the blue portal? Ah, I was hiding.
None of us have fireworks, I just realized. Anything good? Not really. What the hell? There's a Transcendence. And that's...
I got good healing. I got good healing. I'm good to go. Some corpse bloom and head stomp. Wouldn't mind getting that other thing, but I don't want to give up that much stuff.
Yeah. Alright, hold up. I got a message with this thing. Alright.
14 minutes. God, I thought we were hauling ass. It's weird we're 14 minutes in.
There's a green dude over here. I'm just missile at him and punch him in the face. The arm thing. Strike a Bearsy.
Ooh. Didn't mind if I do. Striding away back to you, love. I'm super healy. See, that was the, well, now I wish I would have got Transcendence. Then I could have traded in all this healing stuff. Finally, a little AoE. Oops.
Yeah, I need to go with that. Movement speed. Let's go.
Dude, my, ooh. Dude, there's a movement speed 3D printer. If you really want to go for it.
The only thing is, I don't mind losing the boss bullets. I just don't want to lose the backup bags. I feel like those are the first things that are gonna go.
Yeah, but movement
But
speed.
movement speed, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna risk it. Fuck it. There's another quick glass here.
There's another, let's see. Ooh, shaped glass. You want that?
Oh yeah, fuck it.
I'm not
Okay.
gonna take it. It's over here.
Okay, 2. I like this. I just need to do 2 more without. Okay, I lost one back in my head. Alright. Okay, there we go. Just 2 more items. Okay. And then finally, yes, I still have a backup mag. Hell yeah. Alright, where's the shake glass?
Marked it.
Oh, you found it.
It's by the platform thingy.
Yeah, I got it. Once we get like global wisdom or something, it's gonna be ridiculous. What is this? Sprint can? I'll take it.
Mm-hmm. You have a weird build, man. Yeah, dude. Oh, cool. Pauldrons. Ooh, oh, you already got the gambling one, huh? Nope. This is interesting. Well, I'll try it. I like me the gambling one. Dude, kill that thing, Beetle. Sitting there running around in circles.
Actually, alright. Semi-AoE. We'll take it.
341. Man, it's so expensive. Oh, crap. Got the mushrooms. I saw what I wanted right off the bat, and I ended up with the mushrooms. God damn it. Wasn't fast enough.
There's still this thing.
That thing.
The break glasses.
Sweet. Get up to 50%. I'm so slow. I haven't found one speed item. I rely on strides of heresy for. Oh God, scared me. How you doing, Birdvan? What's going on, my man?
The teleporter's upstairs. I think we looted pretty much everything here.
Yeah, let's do it. Tempted to see. I hate to lose. I wouldn't mind just one of these. One gas isn't the end of the world. Ah, shit. Gotta get a little speed.
Alright, let me know if you're ready. I'm gonna hit it. Then you can kill it. You good?
Yeah, I think so. Wait. Give me a sec.
Yeah, I got you. Take your time.
Never mind, 618. Go ahead, hit it.
Hitting it now. It's all the way up here. What do we got? Clay Doom starter? Alright.
Firework.
Oh my god. One's dead.
Good.
She's dead. And another band. Is this another Kajaro? Yeah, it is.
Oh, where's all the ukes? Where's all the,
The will of the wisp, anything.
yeah.
Like, at least the gas can helps a little bit. Jeez.
Of course, when I went for my hoof, that's what it gave away. I just have one left. Occasionally, all my bands start chaining, and that's pretty cool. Makes a cool noise when that happens.
Yeah. Do you have both of them?
I got two. Nope, I just got two of the one.
Yeah, I have 3 of the fire one. My phone is vibrating like crazy. We definitely need to hit the blue board over there to see why my phone's vibrating so much. It's not Discord,
Ooh.
but I see that on my computer.
I do have mad healing. Wait, hold on. Don't hit it yet. Gotta grab
Good
one
idea.
thing. Gotta grab one thing. Wait. Out of my way. Okay, you can hit it.
Fireworks would be so nice.
There's a thing here if you want some. Oh, nope,
Fuck,
too late.
Too late.
Could have grabbed one.
Wait, there was a firework?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, damn.
3D printer.
That's all good. There's another strides. got it for you.
Yeah.
Ooh,
2
57 leaf
stratties.
clover.
Ooh. Oh, man. Dude, imagine it, but it's going to take away something neat. You know it is.
Yeah, it is. Hold on, let me see why my phone's vibrating so much.
Hold on a sec. Let me, let me fill my coffee. I'll be right back.
Alright. It's probably work related. No, it's not work related. What the fuck? Oh,
All right, I'm ready to
it
go.
won't work.
It's weird because it feels like I have mostly green items. It's a weird run.
Yeah, it's about the same for me. Like I have 1,000,000 movement speed, 1 gas can, and then 6 greens.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Cause my sister was gonna come is talking to HR today, so I thought she was updating me on that.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Many of them. Fake train if you can gently swing into those.
There's enemies?
Yeah.
Oh god. Oh, there's a lot of green stuff here. That's gonna be so nice.
You guys are being haters. Ooh, nice. God, I'd love Wake of the Vultures right about now.
No, you're dead. You're not getting that off. Not in my house.
Oh, God. Ooh, they hit hard. This is when I wish I could switch back to not having the shotgun move for the commando and having the long range phase shot.
Yeah.
Now I don't even want to be anywhere near anyone, you know?
Yeah.
God. Man, that
actually,
hurt.
no.
Yeah. Holy. Beetle Guard,
Yes.
don't let him do that to me.
I finally have both the bands. Yes.
First time in my life, I was glad to get Red Whip.
There's a personal shield generator 3D printer. No. That's Old War Stealth Kit. My bad.
Little bit of eggs. The most healing stuff. I guess it's good.
Yeah. There's a lot of blood shrines, but not like a lot of things to buy. What I'm saying. Oh,
Here.
maybe up there. Oh, this is a 3D printer for. Ooh, feather. Oh, and we can get to the blue portal. I found the.
Feather sounds good for me. It might be the difference between me living and dying, but then, man, my damage has fallen. Well, it's alright, actually. My damage just relies on you punching things.
Oh fuck! I almost died. How did you survive one punch from me? What the fuck? I found another boss bullet.
Can't tell what is going on. Oh, it's you little turkeys. Dude, I have the kind of healing that just is critical of me being badass, and it scares me.
Ooh, there's
You know?
drones here.
Drones?
Like the drone equipment.
Shit. Would you leave me alone? Okay.
I think we got mostly everything. I'm gonna actually. Ooh, first I'm gonna try to get enough money to activate one of these healers, just so we both have some place to run back to. Fight the boss.
What is
What's
this?
the name? It's gonna be
Oh, I
8.
found a coin. Want the egg. We do not want the egg.
Yeah, at least not till we're like mega end game.
Finally, my pauldron started working. That's good news. Oh no, I was in the war banner. Where's the boss gonna be?
The boss is near me.
Did
Here,
you
I
go down
activated-
below at all?
Yeah, I did. I did.
Okay.
There's nothing. Yeah, I'm just gonna activate this healing thing too. Why not?
Do it.
Alright, the boss is here. I'm hitting it. Hopefully it's something that's like nice and friendly and just dies. Oh, magma worm. That's pretty nice. As long as
I
it's
have
not a
activated a cannon too, just in case it tries to. Well, actually, it's really good. Beauty of the magma worm is I could just strides away. It is so wonderful to be in magma worm heaven. Ooh, come on in. Weather's fine, baby. Sucker. Invincibility is the way we love to be. Invincible all the day. No, turn on. Invincible. Woo. They do not like me being in my war banner area.
Yeah, they do not. I'm watching them. They're just like actively trying to fuck you up. I'm gonna put my little zappy zap thing in there since they seem to like you there. Alright, one's dead.
I don't mind being a distraction. It's great.
They're all dead. Ooh, hopple feather, yes. I mean waxing quill, sorry.
Wish it was a
Waxing
feather.
quill. Yeah, I wish I had a feather too. My build is actually pretty solid right now.
My build is solid in the way that it's survivable. The minute you die, it's going to be very long fights to get anything killed.
I'm not getting another shape glass. I think one is pretty good right now.
Sufficient.
Yeah.
It's almost like
Especially
I could roll with one. Where's the shaped glass? I might be able to do that.
No, there's not another one. Blue portal, let's hit it. We didn't even need to run to like the little Healy spots.
You paid your dues, so you didn't need them. Had you not activated them, we would have needed them. That's how it works. Dude, I am so slow. I can't believe it.
Oh, that's really good.
Ooh, transcendence all the way around.
Ceremonial dagger. That's no, because the second I lose guillotine.
I'm tempted to do this, and then I could trade in for that. You know what? Let's do it. Hey, flip me both of these transcendents. I have so much healing stuff that I don't mind losing it all. You know? And then I have my strides. If I get one more strides, it should work. My plan.
So are you gonna trade for?
Hell yeah. Of course I lost them. There we go.
You lost. Yeah, you lost our. Actually, you lost. What did you? You lost Harvester Scythe. You lost.
I don't need that, though.
Yeah, you don't need it.
And now I have over 1k hit points, so that's pretty cool. And I got ceremonials.
Yeah, ceremonial is gonna be so good for you.
Gotta get some kind of AoE going here, you know? I'm so freaking slow, though.
Yeah, we gotta get you some movement speed.
Then Strides of Heresy is really good with Transcendence, because you get a full heal every time. The only drawback is if you have a status effect, it could kill you.
Yeah.
I think I have. I also have a personal shit. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff going on here. A lot of stuff. Oh, dude, it's so good. Dude, ceremonial is so good. I got enough dead enemies that it's like doesn't even matter anymore.
Yeah, I probably should have picked up ceremonial, honestly.
Glad I did that. That was a good move. Finally. Boy, where's all the ukes? Where have they all gone? How are we gonna get the band back together with no uke?
I have no idea. Like, I'm surprised. Like, I haven't seen a single uke or will-o'-the-wisp. Let me activate. Oh, I'm running around.
Get him. Get him, daggers.
Oh, Malachite enemy.
Finally happened. It's that time. Hey, Crystal, how's it going?
Oh, I almost died there. Jesus Christ. Oh, fuel cell. Hell yeah.
Ooh, fuel cell, huh?
Yeah.
Interesting. There's a medical chest here if you want. Oh, I might pop it to see if it's got a... That's the other thing I haven't found is a stupid brooch. Haven't seen a brooch?
Oh yeah, I haven't. I wonder if they change like rarity and spawn rates and stuff.
There's a flower, so that'll be good for you, kind of.
Another Malachite dude.
For your job. That's your job.
He's almost dead, but he went to space when I punched him. Yeah,
And I'm kind of happy with my missiles. There's two things over here. Two little equipment things, if you want to open them.
No, I'm good with my...
Missiles are actually doing most of my damage. Oh, I didn't realize I didn't take my missiles, at least. I forgot I had missiles. We're not going to go this way. I do not have the speed. Oh, I could have, actually. Never mind. Hey, I got fireworks. Woo!
How is he still alive?
Getting harder, man. Getting harder. Alright, well, I'm ready. I'm ready for love.
Alright, I'm ready.
White jelly,
God.
Malachite jellyfish. Oh no.
Oh, that's where the run ends. GG's, boys.
This is horrifyingly bad. I'm just gonna have to be an invisible drone. Come on, Transcendence. There we go.
Well, actually, Guillotine is actually helping out a lot here.
Dude, they're trying to do their little magic stuff to me, and it's just not working because I'm, Oh, this red guy is gonna be a problem.
Well, we could run away from the red guy. We just need to kill the jellyfish, which is right in front of me. Yep, I'm dead.
You can grab both of those. I don't need
Yeah.
them. Yay! One of these days I'll have to get my damage going. But until then, I'm pretty invincible. As long as I just keep hitting my shift key. I just spam it.
Dude, guillotine is so nice. I'm so glad we got that early. Because we would have died at this boss if we didn't.
I'm gonna need probably one more strides to really be effective, and then that'll be it. Effective at not dying. Not effective at helping.
Yeah, hit the portal.
Now I wish I would have grabbed that first Transcendence.
Well, there's 2 more strides here.
Might as well do both of them.
Yeah, the happiest mask and leeching seed. Leeching seed would be nice. Fuck it. I don't
Not
really
that
gonna-
great. Leeching Seed sucks for you.
No, because if I'm starting to do AoE damage now, so. And plus I have missiles to launch like all the time to kill things randomly. Okay, ready? No.
Yep. Hit it up.
Oh god.
Hey, thanks for the follow there, Hammer Moot. Sorry, I'm in a little bit of a pickle here. Dude, it lasts so long. Well, I'll just use it, launch these.
Fucking Christ, I'm about to die. I'm actually about to die. I ran. Like, fuck those guys.
The bullet shooters?
Yeah, those guys were fucking me up so hard. Stop
Dude, you
shooting
need
me.
some stun. That's what's wrong. You need to get the stun on. That's what stops them. Man, it's taking forever to get my money. Hammer Mood, how's it going, buddy? You in here? Hail Mood. That's what it was. God, how many of these guys are there gonna be? 2, 1. Adios, amiga. God, not even my missiles will kill things anymore. That guy.
I'm here to help.
Shit, they're just spawning one after another of them.
Alright, one of them is almost dead. I get dead.
Stuff here. There's a beetle
Oh, I
plane
almost
over here.
died. Oh shit. Yeah, I was working on
Hail Meister Moot. Okay, Hail Meister Moot.
Yeah, I'm running. I'm really low on health.
Had to bail, man. Screw that noise. God dang it, man. Just give me some damage. I just tripped over a blue guy being born. Kill enough of these guys and get my thing going. Yeah, I know. I just we're getting to the point where I need to really beef it up. I at least need a AOE or something, man.
There's a bunch of
There's something that's got to change a little because it's. I mean, at least I have Strides of Heresy. I have my get out of jail free card, so I can't complain. Looks like God, if only I was mercenary. What's this printer? Become the powerfulest man known to man. Yeah, Uke would do everything. It would do everything. We're not gonna hit that anymore. I mean, unless you want A-Train.
What?
If you want to hit the
Nah, I'm good.
Mountain Shrine.
Yeah, I'm good. It's already.
That helps a little. Oh God, those guys are hurting me. They're hurting me. I hope we get the lava level. Well, dude, next level is gonna be so hard. I don't have jumps to get up to things. So, and I lost my wax coil from the daggers. Like one hoof.
Alright, I think we should hit.
Wait, hold on 1 sec. I'm gonna grab really quickly a couple things here. Resonance disc. Woo!
Ooh,
Okay, that'll help.
great
Oh, more missiles. Beautiful. All right, so my dude, you didn't loot anything over here.
item. Really? There's still more stuff?
You looted half. Never mind. You can hit the thing. Never mind. It's good. Need that, but that's all right.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going back to hit the thing now.
A lot of stuff here.
There's a Malachite
Didn't
too.
need that either.
Is it on the other side
Oh.
of this? Yeah, it is. Alright. I hit it. Ooh, so Titans aren't that bad.
Oh, we should have hit the mountain shrine. Oh, it would have been overloaded or something.
Yeah, it would have been like an overloaded Malachite.
Oh, I have a lot of hours on it. I'm not good though. Ha, sucker. What are you gonna do? Huh, buddy? What are you guys gonna do? Sit here and hover safely? Watch A-Train kill them all? Yeah, we have a lot of hours. Ooh. They're all invisible now. Ooh, man. Later, sucker. Just gonna use my missiles. They're gonna act a fool. I can act a fool too.
I really wish they weren't invisible though.
Tanky. And I like the invisible minigun guy. See bullets spraying out of nowhere. Nope. Dude, Transcendence and Strides is the best invention in the world.
Alright, we're almost there, we're almost there.
Full heals. Every time. Every time, full heals. Wish my disc would go off. That would be wonderful news. Ooh. Close one. Send these missiles out.
Please die, thank you. Okay, now we just have ads.
Might be it, boys. Just get your thing and go. Oh, Gore's Tome. Ow.
What's... Oh, that's the one that randomly gives you gold, right?
Yeah, it's the treasure one. Dude, it's so rough in there. I don't even want to live in there. Can you put your little laser thing in there?
I hit the blue portal. Alright, this one. I hit the blue portal already.
Kind of want to shoot the mess. I like shooting the mess.
Again, I'm safe, so do whatever you want to do.
Get us some levels. Can't wait to get out of here. Whew. It's getting sketch.
There's
Being
more
a clay
strides.
Templar that was affected by a mountain. He be playing big girly at loader. Yeah, he plays the cheater character. Dude, should I just get the most strides and just be able to live forever as a stridey man? I think so. Forever stride, I wanna be forever stride. Now I just need to get a what's that? The mushroom thing. Tesla coil.
Oh my god. If I had Tesla coil, dude, I'd be broken. Actually, I think you have like way more loot than me this round. Holy shit, I lost my looting game.
Yeah, but a lot of it. I wish I could just trade loot with you and give you all my healing items because I have a ton of them. When was this a musical? Since always. Life is a musical. I want to ride it all night long. Dude, look how long I could just fly. I'm just a little wisp. Flying through the air. Living a free and carefree life. Shooting missiles. It is so long.
Oh, there's a Shrine of Order.
It is so... This is ridiculous. Oh, crap.
Oh, it's the new enemy.
Alright, just... Ooh, trade chip. I want that. Come on. Click on... Yeah. It's great, man. Look at me go. I can do what I want. Do what I want. And then I just let A-Train make me all the money. It's beautiful. I know how to play when I'm playing with Loader. This is how you play with Loader. That would be good. Good for us. There we go. Dude, look at Loader go. He's insane. Oh, you little jerk. Oh, they got me. I got too brave. It's all on you, buddy. I knew I was being a little too... Because I'm so slow. I jumped. The laser guy got me. I just took too many wispy pills, and then it was boring being a wisp all the time. Yeah, I have all the characters unlocked. I think I don't have Runald's band to unlock, because I never did the thing to unlock them. That's about it.
I'm gonna have to fight the boss. Hello, game, thank you.
That's... Oh, no. Well, I mean...
No, this is good. This is...
Could go one of two ways.
I messed up
Kill
my
him.
speed.
It didn't even hurt him.
No, because I messed up my speed. I can kill him.
Two little bombs.
Right,
There you go.
dead.
That is just nerve-wracking. I don't like that guy at all. Ooh, nice. Of course, if you take damage at this point, I think you're dead. This is gonna be...
Oh, my.
Yep.
No, we're good.
Moot. Moot.
Oh, fuck. I'm dead.
Yeah. What a wonderful time for a Dune Strider to show up right in your path.
That's alright, we're good. We're gonna kill. Oh.
Get your shield up. I would have just been a distraction for those fighters. I mean, I would have just lived life as a wisp. There's no way I would have been. Ever since Tommy got all those transcendence, I wanted to reach that level and actually transcend with transcendence like he did. 10,000 hit points.
Yeah. Oh shit! Hey, Magmar.
So. Ah, you missed the opportunity.
I'm just sad my things aren't like killing anything.
Yeah, no AoE. We both don't have AoE, so what do you do?
But the Magma worms are slowly going down though.
What are the beads of fealty? Yeah, he said buy a bunch. This guy's saying we should buy a bunch of beads.
With beads of fealty, when you're about to destroy your character, you get to fight a boss, and the amount of beads of fealty you have gives you more lunar coins, I think.
Oh. Is a cleansing pool? Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, cleansing pool. Okay. Where are the worms? That's all I want to fight right now. I've been like slowly trying to like whittle down the timer as I can. But I only really want to fight the worms. Wait, I can open this now. Oh, there you are. Yeah, I'm almost dead. Shit. There's two of those guys. We're at 99, cool. I just need to not choke. Yeah, we're good. See, he's about to choke. He's choking!
I saw you going, and I'm like, nothing good is gonna come of that position. Good thing you're quick, man.
Yeah. Oh. Shit. I wasn't expecting him to show up there. What hit me? Oh!
Everything.
The thing exploded.
Well, that was a good run, man. Good deal. We went, how many rounds did we go? What does it say? How many rounds? 7. Oh, not too shabby. All right, I gotta go to work. So.
Okay.
All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Everyone who stopped by. Moot and Heather and who else was it? Crystal. Anyways, you guys all have a good night.